Okay, now we'll do the leg bones and their attachment. This is the coccyx or pelvic bone, and it has three parts to it. It has an ilium bone, which is the flat piece. It has an ischium. The ischium is always on the back side. How do you know which is the back, which is the front? This big notch is always positioned toward the back side of the body. So anything on the side of this notch is posterior. So the ischium is always on the posterior side. Front side, you'll see the pubic bone. It comes up to the front where your genitalia are. So in that area is where your pubic bone is, around the front. So this is the coxal or hip bone. We call it the pelvic bone as well. It has three parts: ilium, ischium, L shape, and pubis. Okay, the femur is your upper leg bone. It fits into the socket here of your pelvic bone or coxal bone. It has a distinct head on it. So here's your femur. And then your lower leg bones. Here is your tibia and your fibula. Your tibia is the big bone. The fibula is the small bone. Think about a fib is a little lie. So the fibula is the little bone. And then right here where the femur joins the tibia and the fibula, here's the femur sitting on top. There is the patella bone in the middle of the group. So your patella bone is your kneecap. So remember, fibula, little bone, tibia, big bone. Okay, so those are your lower leg bones. While we're here, I forgot the hand. Remember, you're just going to have to name the groups and not the individual hand bones and wrist bones. So carpals, metacarpals, go down to here, and then phalanges of the hand. To find the phalange, start at the tip, count back 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how you know you got your phalanges. Then your metacarpals, and then your carpals. And on your foot, it's bigger than the hand, so that's how you can tell the two apart. On your foot, same thing. Start at the tip, 1, 2, 3. That's your phalanges of the foot. And then you have your metatarsals, and then your tarsals. So you'll just be naming group of bones again, not individual. And then you have your talus bone, where your lower legs fit, and then your calcaneus bone. So those are the bones of the legs, the hand, and the feet.